There is a continuation to the Loop meeting notes video. While creating a meeting in Teams calendar, click on the agenda. Then you get agenda, notes, and a task list. During the meeting, we will add tasks and delegate them to each other. After the meeting, you can double-click on the meeting to follow up on tasks right within calendar or in chat. If you have a recurring meeting, the agenda, notes, and task list carries forward, so there is no confusion. As an individual, I can go to the To-Do app, click on Assign to Me, and I will get to see all the work delegated to me across all meetings, which is great. The problem is, assuming I want to monitor work which has been given to various people across meetings, I don't have a single place to go to, something like assigned by me or assigned across meetings. All the work is sequestered within each meeting. And that's not all. I can add the task list in Teams chat, Outlook, and Word as of now, and more places are coming. So how do I see all these diverse task lists in one place? The solution is simple. You use the Loop Workspace. Go to loop.microsoft.com and sign in. If it gives you an error saying this is not configured, you'll have to talk to IT and ask them to enable it. How exactly to do it? I have given the link in the description. Once it's available, go to Loop and you will see the default workspace. Now click on the Loop logo, create a new workspace. Give it a name like All Tasks. Next time onwards, when you create a task list anywhere, go to the Copy Component button, copy it, come to this page and paste it one below another. The beauty is, although it looks like duplication, behind the scenes the Loop components are not getting duplicated. So whenever people update their own tasks, that will update this page without you having to do any extra effort. I know this is a workaround, but it's a great workaround. If you can think of a better method, do put it in comments. I'll be happy to adopt it. And before you go, I would like you to see two videos if you have not seen them already. Task management best practices, and second is Teams meeting notes. So that's it for now. Thank you.